All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. So today I'm out here in Cadence, a master plan community. So we actually have a grand opening by DR Horton. Now, this community is not open yet. However, we had the opportunity to come here before anybody else to do these video home tours. Now I'm so excited about these video home tours because what you get for the money. So you have 3 different floor plans to choose from. You have 3765 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 4 bath, 2-story with a 3-car garage. But guess what, guys? It comes with a next gen multi-living. Now, the second one is 3825, which is not modeled today, okay? Now that one is a 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2-story, 3-car garage. Then we have the 4425, this mammoth of the beast right here. This one is 4,425 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 5 baths, 2-story with a 3-car garage. So the question is, which one would you guys like to go first? Now, I do want to mention that the 3765, it's going to be priced around the $650 range. This one right here is going to be priced at about $699,999,999. There you go. So let's go take a look at this 4225 model. Now, with this product, what you see is what you get. So one thing I like about this is the smart home technology, and I'm going to show you a couple features to this home. Is unbelievable. Okay, now we got some pavers, some nice stonework here. You got 4 different elevations to pick and choose from. We're gonna walk right in here. Let's see here. We have pavers that take you all the way around here. Love this covered patio section. Oh, actually spits you right out to the back, and right away I'm identifying 2 air conditioning units. You got an 8-foot door. You got the sky bell here. You got the keypad with the rekey. I'm just gonna leave my stuff right here and walk you guys straight back. Now, if you guys want more information about this property, I'll have a link in the description below. If you guys want to come out here, make sure to ask for Farah, okay? She's my sales rep out here. We have a relationship, and you know, we want to do some business. So here's the thing. Just let her know that you've seen the video. Stop on by, and she's going to roll out the red carpet for you guys. Now, what I like about this product, there's a lot of things that you're going to get here that's unbelievable. You do have the option to do this Pkwy, and this is actually a 2-inch front face, which is gorgeous. Now, the other option, you can do the granite. I'm going to take you over to the other model, and you're going to see what you get, okay? Now, this is going to be more of a value play. Undermounted sink, stainless steel, already included. Garbage disposal push button, that would be an upgrade, but that's also included. And also your water filtration system. However, it does not come with the RO system. You would have to purchase that after. Now, we're looking at the full overlay cabinets. Now, these are shaker cabinets. You got 3 to pick from for the price. 42 uppers with a 3-inch crown. You have the nice 36-inch cook countertops, stainless steel Whirlpool appliances, but take a look. Oven, then microwave. However, the refrigerator is not included, but you can actually purchase this on your own. Now, what I like about DR Horton, okay, this is a new product that just came out. You see these little things right here? 1, 2, 3, okay? You've got a bunch of them. Those are actually supply lines for the AC unit. And what these guys are doing now with the new technology with the AC unit, it allows, right, for the AC to equalize the house. Another thing I want to show you is dope. Look at this. Take a look at this rocker switch, okay? What I like about this rocker switch, the way that they make it now, you can pull off this panel, right? You don't need an electrician to come in, but with this brand, you can do a dimmer switch. You pull it off, stick the one on with the dimmer switch. No more electrician. Isn't that cool? It just throws attention to details. Now, the flooring. Typically on the flooring, you got to pay for the flooring, right? 12 by 24, 6-inch stagger. Guess what? This is all included. 5-inch baseboards right here, orange peel texture, and 1/2 inch on the bull nose. Now, with a lot of these builders, you have an 8 by 8 slide with a 9-foot ceiling. Guess what? This comes with it. But I'm going to take you guys outside here in just a second. Now, granted, these are vinyl slides. They're not your best slides. However, this is an 8-foot slide that comes with it. Outside here, covered patio, no charge, included to the price. Let's talk about the lot size. The average lot size right now is going to be roughly about 10,000 square feet. Included into the price. These are actually spec builds, so which means that you can't really pick your stuff with the spec builds, especially with this builder. It automatically comes with the stuff, and if you come in at the beginning time of the build, you may be able to pick your color cabinets, maybe color flooring. You got 2-3 options, and that's pretty much it. However, that's where the value comes in. Gas stubs already included. That's typically about $650, depending on which builder that you go with. But take a look at this. 3 air conditioning units. However, we got Lennox, and it looks like they didn't have another one, Lennox, so they used the Bryant. But my favorite brand is actually Lennox for the money. Now, for me, the best air conditioning unit, the condenser, would be the Train. However, Lennox is the way to go. It's basically Bugatti, right, is like Train. Lennox, right, is basically BMW. Bryant is a Mercedes. I'm gonna take you guys down this way. Let's see how big this lot really is. Covered patio is already included. You guys already know that. Access point here. Why do we have 2? Because I'm going to show you just a little bit, because this is the access point for your next gen. That's right. Now, I try to make these videos a little bit faster, and the reason why is because I do have an appointment across town. Okay, so main living room here. So real quick, you do get the Smurf tube. You do have pre-wire surround sounds. You have the LED lights, okay? Traverse LED lights, you could change that out. So you're gonna get a backsplash just like this, a 4-inch. Now you're probably wondering, why is everybody walking around? Well, because the whole team is out here. Here's the 3-car garage, so we can't get into that. Right off to the left, we have our linen closet. I'm gonna walk straight right back here. You're fine.
I'm good, I just finished.
You can say hello to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
That's Kelly, she's new on the team. So here's the thing, real quick. If you get a call from her,
Oh God.
yes, I am. Gotta put you on the spot, because this is important, okay? Because sometimes this is what happens. They call in Simply Vegas, right? And sometimes they ask, hey, do you work with Chakits? And the agent doesn't say, no, I'm not on his team, but they say, hey, I work with Chakits. So we just want to clarify this. If you get a call from Kelly, she's actually on the team. So you're good.
Chakits team.
There you go. Okay? All right, so this is actually the next gen, which is a lot bigger than my house, to be honest, which is very disappointing. Again, we got the Smurf tube here, 9-foot ceilings, 6'8" on the door. But did you notice the door is a 2-panel door versus that generic apartment style 6-panel door, right? What do we have over here? We have the double stack laundry room. Again, refrigerator's not included. However, you can put a microwave right here. And look at this sink. Stainless steel. Now let's go take a look at the, oh, you know what? Let's head out this way real quick. So, you also have an access entryway into your garage. Then you also have your mother-in-law, father-in-law, whoever, your kids, they can enter this way. Got your own doorbell, your own privacy, boom, you're good to go. Now think about this. I'm not saying that you could do this, but this is what I would probably do. Cap that off right there. Possibly do an Airbnb or rent this out for what? $1,200, $1,300 a month to absorb some of your costs. Just something to think about. All right, we're gonna take our way upstairs. Oh, love the electrical panel right here. Basically, this right here is for your alarm system. What do we have here? We have the guest bathroom, pedestal sink, very large.
I think they're beautiful. I wish I would have
Closet, another closet.
What's your favorite part about the...
My favorite part is definitely the
So we have storage underneath the staircase, okay? Smart panel box. I prefer the smart panel box to be a lot bigger. I can tell you right now with all the technology. Damn, they have all this connected. So it looks like we have Cat 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll have to close this after because I only have one hand. All right, let's go upstairs. Okay, so we have synthetic carpet. This is not your top-notch carpet. It's just kind of standard. However, you can always change this out. Now, coming into the, wow, this is like just a large, like loft area. This is kind of cool. Love this. So this is the boardroom. So you got a bedroom here, bedroom here, bedroom here, bedroom here. I'm gonna come this way. Wow, another bedroom here, another bedroom here. This is like a whole east and west wing of the house. I don't even know where to start. However, if you're a kid, awesome place to play some hide and go seek. Decent sized bedroom. This is probably 11 by 12 or 12 by 12. You do have a walk-in closet, 9-foot ceilings, which is nice. Again, here's the supply line that distributes the airflow equally to the house, okay? This is something that you need to be on the lookout for because this is the only builder that I've seen do this. All right. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just lost. Got to make sure I go to every single room. Because sometimes you're like, you missed the room, Chakits. Oh, my bad. Okay, so we have a 3/4 shower. Let's see what kind of products we have here. Mowing, which is really nice. Now, this is not your top of the line mowing. However, it is what it is. You do have your brush nickel casing on here, which is really nice. I'm telling you, I'm loving this rocker switch right here. I wanna try to take it off and show you, but all right. So now we're gonna come in this room, the guitar room. Man, this house is so huge. I'm already into it for 15 minutes. Okay. Come around this way. Let's take a look. Nice walk-in closet. I'm gonna say this is probably like 5 by 12 feet deep. Not bad. Now, keep in mind, these are not solid core doors or insulated. We got the dual pane windows again, okay? You got the transfer grill, which is really nice. You also have the sprinkler system as well. On this one right here, you have a traverse LED light down the center. However, what I would do is check the payload on here. And during construction phase, when you're doing the walkthrough, see if there's actually a brace that goes across. Because if you got that brace that goes across, then you can possibly put a ceiling fan. However, this is a 2 rocker switch, so you need to make sure does one go for the light? Obviously it does. And does the second one go for the half hot? Because some builders won't give you the half hot, right? Because you just need one light switch. Now, if that's the case, then you're going to need a ceiling fan that actually has a remote. Now, let's go take a look at this primary. All right, so this primary is very large, okay? You've got 4 can lighting in here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 supply lines. Ceiling fan, pre-wired. Ceiling fan is not included. The distribute sound's also not included as well. That's just for the model, so that way they can play some music as, you know, guests walk around. Now, this is a large closet. Now, remember, folks, you guys got to give us a thumbs up and a like. And the reason why is because we are actually viewing this property before anybody else. That's right. Nobody has this opportunity. You guys are the first to view this. All right, so coming into the bathroom, we got the 12 by 24 tile that matches the downstairs. You have a nice soaking tub It's not as long, but it's very wide. Again, we got the Pkwy, okay, fully wrapped. Now the floor is a plastic fiberglass, I don't want to say plastic, it's actually fiberglass pan, okay. Here we have our water closet, and we have more of a nice brushed nickel handle. Oh, I thought this was the water closet. Oops, I was wrong. All right, let's flip a Yui. Now, nice long vanity, okay. This vanity right here, 36 inches, which is really nice and high. You also got the 2-inch front face, undermounted sink, cast iron, right, bowl, and nice faucet. Now this mirror is so big they actually had to get 2 pieces, which is completely fine. Medicine cabinet, I'll probably get rid of that. And here's your water closet. All right, let's see what else we got here. Now, this home is really built for a large family. You can have like 3 families living in here. And I love how these rooms are actually separated for this room. Like, you could literally have one family stay here, primary family, secondary family on this side. So as we come into the south wing of this house, we're going to start off here. Oh my gosh, this room is literally bigger than the room I have. This is very embarrassing. Walk-in closet. Oh, pretty decent size on a walk-in closet. Look at, you even got the air conditioning grill up there. Casings around the door are a 2-inch casing. Now coming into the bathroom, I love the standard height of the cabinet here. This is like literally adult height, so that way you don't have to try to do the upgrade. It's a lot of stuff that comes with this home build. It's pretty good, I'm gonna tell you. You get the 10-year structural warranty as well. Love the aqua fiberglass tub, all one piece. Then we have our water closet. Okay, where am I going now? Went into that. Okay, well, we gotta go left. I actually got lost for a second here. Now we are in the skateboard room. Well, every bedroom has its walk-in closet, which is really nice. I don't know if I mentioned that HOAs here are about $50 a month. Right next door, you're going to have a bird sanctuary here, and also a park. The county or the city is building a 100-acre park, recreational park, which is kind of cool. All right, I mean, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, I want to give a shout out to my girl Farrell for allowing us to do a full video home tour on here. Also, there's a lot of incentives that actually come with this home right now. Now, remember, this community, the grand opening starts tomorrow, but you guys get the video today. I want to make sure I'm connecting you guys with the right people, getting the best price, best deal, best interest rate, because I have the relationships with this builder. I'm able to get those things, all right? Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Be blessed, folks. All right, did you guys actually like that video? If you guys like that video, then that tells me that you may be interested in watching more video home tours. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this right here on this video right here. Now, if you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. It is a great website to get started. Or take out your phone and go ahead and scan this QR code right now. Go ahead and take the time and do that. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate and you want to learn everything about real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel, Chakits 2.0, Everything Real Estate. Other than that, if you like this video, let us know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this video. Until next time, peace.